Hi everyone, and welcome to this video about Dynamic Island on the iPhone 15 Ultra and Pro. Dynamic Island is a new feature was introduced from the iPhone 14 Pro that consolidates your notifications, alerts, and activities into one interactive place. It's integrated from iOS 16 onwards and can work with all kinds of apps to seamlessly surface what you need, right when you need it. Dynamic Island is located at the top of the iPhone 15 Ultra and Pro's display. It's a pill-shaped area that changes size and shape to accommodate different types of content. For example, when you're listening to music, Dynamic Island will expand to show you the album art and playback controls. When you receive a notification, Dynamic Island will shrink to show you a preview of the notification. You can do a lot with Dynamic Island. You can use it to check your notifications, control your music playback, see your current activity in progress, get directions, accept or decline calls, and more. That's all for this video about the introduction of Dynamic Island on the iPhone 14 Pro. Thanks for watching.